Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
And the days fly faster than ever before, but I'm just giving up and keeping pace on life that I had before. But there's a party on the dance floor, we can work it out, we can work it out. There's a party on the dance floor, we can work it out, we can work it out. There's a party on the dance floor.
Don't wait another minute. Act right now. Spots are limited, and judging by the amount of traffic that we're getting as we speak, I think tomorrow you'll see a big sold out message on our page.